Hey everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Botany for All. In our today's video, we are going to discuss about the CSIR NET 2021 exam. The number of students are preparing for the CSIR NET exam for the lecturership as well as the junior research fellowship to pursue their PhD or to having a eligibility criteria for the lecturership. So science graduate or the science postgraduates specifically, not graduates actually. Various science postgraduates are preparing for this particular exam. So as far as the COVID-19 is being concerned and the entire world is hit by this pandemic, that is the COVID-19, our India is also affected a lot by this virus, or we can say by this disease. So there are various uncertainties also in the field of this exam. The exam of June 2020 as well as the exam of the December 2020 as well as the exam of June 2021 are already almost skipped, because the December 2020 exam, which was likely to be held in the March, April or even in the June, is not likely to be happen in the month of the July also, because currently we are in the August even. So there are various uncertainties. I have also seen so many of the videos regarding the tentative schedule, tentative date of the exam. So there is a little message about particularly those videos especially, as well as for the students also or for the aspirants also. I must say, you must not think about the dates of the exam, because there is particular date, one particular date will be there when the exam will surely happen. Even the government of India cannot say that when we can conduct the exam, or even the authorities from the CSIR NET cannot also announce the date. As far as the probably third wave is concerned, although there is a hope that there should be no third wave came as far as the vaccination is concerned. So better we should think positive and we should prepare rather than we can search for the dates. Instead of searching for the dates, we can prepare for the exam, and we should be always positive regarding the dates of the exam. Whenever the exam will be happen, okay, that will be in the November or that will be in the October or the December. If you are prepared with the exam, you are going to perform very well. If you are not prepared, even if you are knowing the date in the July or the August, then there will be no benefit if you are not prepared for the exam. So better you should prepare for the exam and you should have a positive thoughts, because whenever the exam will happen, if you are having good preparation, you will surely do the best in the exam. So I must say you that if all the things will be good, if every condition will be fair and good in the regarding the COVID-19, so most probably the notification will be released in the month of the August or September, and the exam is likely to be held in the mid of November. Unfortunately, if there will be any kind of the wave, because the complete or the entire India is concerned. This is not like that in the North India, suppose there are very few cases, and in the South India there are more number of the cases, that CSIR NET will likely to conduct the exam in the North India. So they have a universal pattern, they have a globalized pattern for the entire country. So CSIR will, of course, or CSIR will surely conduct the exam once the COVID-19 situations will be normal, that are likely to be held normal by the process of the vaccination. So this is a short message regarding the two main things: to be positive in this scenario. Second thing, not to worry about the dates. Don't worry about the dates. CSIR NET will surely happen, and once it will be happen, you will be get a chance to fill the form and do the best. So there is no need to worry about the dates. Better we should revise the things. If you are very well prepared, you can do the previous year questions as well as some model question papers, whatever be your subject. So it was a short message for all the CSIR NET aspirants. Hope you would like this video. Thank you very much. Have a good time.